Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 14, 2022. 4-star Sudoku. 9th row and 3rd row. 9th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 3. So 7 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row we have 6. Column I also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column J and 3rd row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row and column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 4, it will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, and 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 2. 9th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Also we have 6. So 1, 4, 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 4, 1. 6th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 3rd grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. In the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column C, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.